Good morning, friends. I hope you are doing good. Let me share something about IT operations today. What is IT operations? Why it is important? What are the different processes in IT operations? And I'll briefly touch upon how can we achieve it. IT operation is nothing but a process or initiative which an organizations take care in terms of management and administration of IT department. It includes, for example, in an IT department, there will be a lot of laptops, servers, installation of softwares, monitorings. Primarily, there will be some facility department, environment to be make sure that IT or department people work in the right environment. So all this comes under IT operations, server management, software management, our administrations, laptop installation, hardware maintenance, monitoring, and so on. It is very important that there is a strong IT operation in place in order to manage the organizations in efficient and effective manner and become a competitive in the market trend. Now, why it is important? As I said, IT operation will help an organizations to reduce the operation cost and become more relevant and more competitive in the market through the operation, through making sure that operation is stable and the businesses remain continuity. Similarly, IT operation will help to adopt the modern technology to efficiently manage the IT operations and bring more agility to manage their overall IT operations. And therefore, it will help to become more and more relevant for the industry and the near future. Now, what are the different IT processes? At high level, there are few IT processes we all aware probably. One is incident management. Incident management primarily take care of the different issues that is happened in their software environment which an organization owns to support the customer. Similarly, problem management. It is superset of incident management where there is a particular bigger problem that can be solved and approached by the IT operation teams to maintain and continuity of the business of the different customers that IT organization is supporting. Similarly, the asset management, the different asset that is involved both within the organization and outside the organizations has to be make sure that they are operationals and they are working. And then facility management. We need to make sure that the environment within the organizations are remain active and remain relevant and remain convenient to work for all the employees of an IT organizations. So, in summary, IT operations will categorize probably one is incident management, problem management, facility management, asset management, and so on. Now, how can we achieve it? The current industry trend is primarily focusing the IT operation through three approach. One, people, process, and technology, which we collectively call DevOps. DevOps will help an organizations to shift towards a cultural change where overall agility of an IT organization can be achieved. It is a cultural change, technology change, and process change. And combination of these three approaches will definitely help and IT organizations become more relevant and more profitable in the current market and the near future. I hope I am able to help, or I am able to educate at high level what is IT operations, why it is important, and how can we achieve it. So overall, IT operation is play very significant role for maintaining stability in operations and business continuity, and make sure that it is important for any organizations to survive and grow. With this note, this is Nirpa Chetri signing out for today. See you in the next video. Thank you.